Alright, so the other day we were gonna go for our maiden drive, and Scott and Sandy were here and we were all excited, and Tom's moving the car and we're all ready to go, and of course, right, damn pressure hose takes a shit. So I got some new pressure hose, so we're gonna put this baby in, and then, even though Tom's out of town, I'm gonna go on the maiden voyage. I'll probably FaceTime him during it, and ironically, or not ironically, what's the word I'm looking for? Maybe we should play some Iron Maiden and have an Iron Maiden voyage, because we like to rock. Anyway, so of course, the car being dubbed Amy Winehouse, because it's got all kinds of crackhead craziness and doesn't ever want to behave itself. I got the hose undone here at the pump, got the new hose started. We're all pretty here. Get to back here on the box, and couldn't get it with a line wrench, couldn't get it with a crow's foot, with a big ratchet. Cut it off, put a socket on it, couldn't get it. So it's got a date with the impact now to just break it loose, because that baby's on there. That got it. I was FaceTiming to share this moment with you of glory. I already used the turn signal twice, and the brakes work fantastic, and drives pretty good. I mean, I've only went about half a mile so far, but I'm so happy. Our speedometer's not working now. Son of a bitch. Oh, well, that's easy enough. I can figure that out. I'll reach under there and monkey with that in a little bit. But all other gauges operational. Fuel, brakes, oil, battery. The brake light isn't on, so that means that's working. It works when I put the parking brake on. I'm so happy! Made it back on our maiden voyage. Went and got gas. Put 3 gallons in it. See, I marked straight with tape on the wheel. Got little things I'm gonna do. We're gonna put her away. I got Monique in at a kind of a wonky angle for right now, but that's okay. We'll do dances with cars tomorrow. But she drove